This Montgomery Metro Realty property video is presented by Blake Markham. Located in one of Midtown's finest areas and located near shopping, restaurants and easy interstate access. Just the location for you. This appealing 2-bedroom, 2-full-bath home in Hillwood Subdivision is a real jewel. If you love gardening but cringe at the thought of getting out your mower, this garden home features well-established gardens with seasonal blooming flowers and a private brick side patio for rest and reflection. Open the front door and step onto gorgeous, polished marble floors. Glancing left, right and down the hall you will be wowed by rich, fabulous hardwood floors. The formal dining room is accented with a full mirrored wall and large front windows. Light just pours in. After dinner, you can step across the hall to a quaint bright sitting room. Those tall windows let the light shine in. The master bedroom suite has 9-foot ceilings, a spacious walk-in closet, a shower equipped with a sitting bench and skylight, allowing the sun to shine on you. Both well-sized bedrooms offer substantial closets for clothing and extras. A cheery and bright tiled sunroom on the back of the home can be used as an extra bedroom. The separate laundry room keeps things neat and tidy. A generous tiled kitchen, complete with tons of cabinets, counter space and deep pantry adjacent to a large eat and breakfast area flows into the comfortable den. This family gathering room dons a marble fireplace, vaulted ceiling and a massive wall full of custom-made shelving and cabinetry for displaying your favorite books, family memorabilia and storage. The back and side exterior is surrounded by a decorative iron fence offering a secure area for the furry members of your family. There is ample parking for 4 cars and easy vision to the beautiful garden. Location. 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 For more information, review the details.